Hey everyone, this is Tom from Adventures at Home. So we had some really high wind last night, and I took a walk in the woods earlier today. So I want to take another walk back there and show you what happened last night. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice sunny day today here in Northeast Ohio. But last night we had some really high winds, and every now and then a tree will come down, and we had another one come down last night. Okay, so if you see in the distance out there, right there is a tree that came down. So I know we're pretty far away, so I'll get a much closer shot here in a couple minutes. This is the ash tree that I was going to have Woodruff Woods come out and cut down. So if you've seen his recent video, he just purchased a couple new chainsaws and he wanted to get it into some big wood. So I mentioned it to him, hey, got this big ash tree that needs to come down. You want to come out and cut this? And here it is. So Mother Nature beat him to the punch on this. So you can see it's lodged against a maple tree, and that's probably about 20 feet up in the air. And the base where it broke, that's about, I'd say, at least 12 feet, maybe 14 feet. So yeah, look at this thing. So what I'll do is I'll mount the tripod and take a walk back, and you can just get an idea looking at me versus the tree. So yeah, that's about at least 30 feet across. I remember seeing a piece of bark up where it cracked there, kind of sticking out, and I guess it did have a crack there. So I'm going to put the tripod up and walk back, and you can judge for yourself how tall this is. Okay, so there's a tree right behind me. I'm going to take a walk back there, and we'll get an estimate of how tall this is. Alright, hopefully you can see me here. This is pretty amazing here, just looking at it from this point of view. I'll bring the camera over here. Okay, so I'm going to take a walk closer to this tree and let you see what it looks like close up. I'm about 10 feet away from it right now. Alright, so I'm right up against this tree, looking up and looking over. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. I don't want to walk underneath this thing. Try to get a close-up of the crack here where it broke. Now I'm not sure how much is still attached there. And at this point I have no idea how I'm going to get this down. Try to give you some more angles. Here's another view of this thing. Pretty amazing. I notice a lot of these ash trees will break up high like this. You can see another one right there. That's about, I don't know, 8-9 feet. I would say this is about 20 feet high here. So yeah, we had some high wind last night, and I believe that's when this broke. And then a couple weeks ago, we had this one come down, another ash. I just haven't gotten a chance to get back here to cut it up. This is not quite as big, but it's still a good size. This is probably 70, 80 feet. See, it goes way back there. I should be able to get some good wood out of this, some good firewood. We'll take a look at the base. Look how rotted this was. This was very rotted, and you know, we've got some more here. I mean, look at this one here. No branches on it. That's dead. There's another one back there. And this one right here in front of me, see the mushrooms growing on it. That's dead. That's another really big one. You can see the dead branches on it. Anyway, there's another shot of it. Let's take a look at the maple tree that it's leaning against. So you can see it's bent that maple over pretty good. That maple is probably about a 16-inch diameter tree. And I'm surprised it didn't uproot it. It looks like it partially uprooted that tree. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see right there, that's pushed up out of the ground. So this maple could go with all this weight pushing down against it. So here's a close-up of what we got up here. I just wanted to show you guys the debris field here. So what happened, when it hit that tree, the top end of this tree broke off. And here it is down here. It's all over. I mean, it's going to be hard for you guys to see on video, but I mean, there's branches everywhere here. All the way across the path over there. It's like when it hit that, it must have kind of blown up. So anyway, guys, if you have any ideas on how I can get this down, I'd appreciate your comments and recommendations. I'm interested in hearing from some of you guys that have a lot more experience with this kind of stuff. But yeah, if you have some good ideas on how to get this down, I'd really appreciate it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. That really helps us out. And have a great day.